What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make vinyl banners. Okay, I got everything ready to be sent to the cutter. The vinyl we use is the Oracle 651 outdoor, and the cutter we have is the Graphic CE 6060 24-inch. This is the same vinyl that we use for all the car stickers, car decals. And when you cut the vinyl, you do not have to do mirror images, just do regular.
Nice and easy.
We messed up. There's something underneath this thing. Hold on. Don't move it, okay? We left a weeder, I think. Yep. That's good. You have to have this at the edge of the banner. You need this for the corner. And let me just move a little bit to show you the roll. Right now it's getting smaller, but the one we bought, by the way, we get it from US Cutter. That's where you can find it. It's 36 by 20 yard, I believe, something like that. Hi. And we're just gonna cut it like that. We're just gonna follow the trace right here, which we just did right now with the cutting mat. We use that like as a ruler. And I don't know what they're called. They
Eyelets,
already
eyelets.
Yeah, metal eyelets. They already come with the banner. That's nice that you don't have to worry about them.
1 feet.
Yeah, they're 1 foot apart each. And we need 6 feet.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Exactly.
You are a lucky guy.
Exactly what we needed. 6. Okay, we got all the vinyls ready. Now we're gonna apply it on the banner. This one's gonna be our first layer, and this is gonna be like our base. This will let us know. We're gonna use this since we already have all the registration marks. Once we align it, then we won't have to worry about the other colors. We're just gonna use the registration marks. It's just pretty much the same process we use when we are applying the decals to the cars. Basically the same process. You can also use water if you need to. We won't be using any water this time. With the tape right here on top. And then we're going to divide it. We're gonna cut it several pieces. The thing about this process is that we cannot use any actual images. We can use mainly logos, numbers, letters, and stuff like that. There are so many ways to make banners. The one we are using right now is the ones where you apply the vinyl onto the banner. Okay, now I'm gonna use the registration marks, and they were already included with the design. I don't have to worry about measuring or anything because I know that it's going to be straight. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and expose the registration marks. Okay, we got all the tape. We got rid of all the tape. Now it's time to do the first layer of the circle. Just like that. All right, that's the last color that's gonna go in the circle, gold color. You can go to uscutter.com to get all your banners and vinyls. Now, if you want to support our channel, I'm going to leave some links to our affiliates and we'll get a small cut whenever you buy something. But don't worry, if you can, by subscribing to our channel is plenty. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you like our videos, and I'll see you guys until the next time. Thank you.